Have you ever thought how designers are able to design thousands of ID cards that you used to wear in schools or universities? Do they really work hard to design every single card for every single student? Hey there, this is Rohit, and in this video I am going to show you how it is done using variables in Photoshop. Welcome back. So here we are in Photoshop. As you can see here, I have created a very simple design to make you understand how exactly variable works in Photoshop. So here we have a picture layer. I have clipped it into this circular shape, and a text layer, and again an image which is named as batch. So the first thing, we have to create a data set, data that we want to change in our Photoshop document. Like we want to change the picture, we want to change the name, and we want that for some card this batch is visible and for some it is not. So let's start. Let's create the data set. Go to Excel. If you don't have Excel, you can do it on your Google Sheet as well. So in the first row, we have to write the variable names that we want to change in our Photoshop document. So let me write for picture, let's write picture. Then for text layer, I'm going to simply write the name, and for the batch, let's say batch. Now after that, we have to assign the values to these variables. How can we do that? In picture, we have to write the name of the picture with the file format. Like if the file is in JPG format, we have to write the name of the picture .jpg. Let me show you this. I have some pictures in my folder. Here we have images. So here we have some pictures. So let's write it on the Excel. Here we have aman.jpg, pandey.jpg, and similarly we will fill all the names. Now in name, we simply write the name like Aman, Pandey, Rahul, Rani, Sarthak, and Silpa. Okay, and in batch, we will give the two values. The first one is true and the second one is false. If we want to show the batch on the card, we will give the value true. Let's say true, true, false, false, true. Okay, and let's say false. Now we are done here. After that, save this file at the same location where we have our picture. File, save as this PC. Okay, let's say example, and make sure that save as type is text delimited. Now save this file. Okay, we are done here. Now again go to the Photoshop and select any layer, it doesn't matter at this point of time. Then go to images, variables, and define. So we have selected a text layer which is a Dhruv, and what we want is we want to replace the text. So click on the text replacement. Now in the name section, we have to write the same variable name that we wrote on the Excel sheet. What we wrote there, name. Now select another layer which is batch, and for batch we will click on visibility. We want that it should be visible for some cards. So in the name section, we again write the same variable name that we wrote earlier, which is batch, and select the next layer which is our picture. Where it is? Here it is. So see here, this is our picture Dhruv, and here we have to replace the picture. So click on the pixel replacement, and again write the name of same variable name which we have wrote earlier, that is picture. Then click on next, and then go to import, then select file, and we have to select the file that we have saved, which is example. Then load the file, hit OK, and we are good to go here. Look at that, how easily we create different ID cards for different people. Look at that. This is for Aman, this is for Pandey, This is for Rahul, and look at that, the badge is not visible here, so we do not require any manual work to do here. Let me take another example so that you can clearly understand what's going on. So here we have the another example of identity card. As you can see here, there is a lots of thing going on, like here we have different layers. So let's see the data set once. Here we have name, the father's name, mother's name, course, UID, picture and address. Okay, so let's go to the image, variables and define. I have defined all the variables. You can see here the star mark represents the variable is defined. Go to next, and I have already imported the data. So look at that, we do not need to do any manual change, the Photoshop automatically do it for us. Like we have for Pandey, we have this identity card, and if we click this button, see the next name is Sarthak and everything is changed. Look, if we click next, see how easy it is. So this is it for this video. I hope you understand a little bit about variables in Photoshop. So if you like this video, hit the like button and do subscribe the channel for the further videos. I'll see you in my next video. Until then, bye.